Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by pairing AirPods Pro to your Android now. Put them in the case, open near the phone, and tap the Bluetooth prompt. Once paired, install a third-party app that exposes ANC controls because Android won't show Apple's native settings. Make sure the case and buds have at least 50% charge. Low battery prevents firmware-dependent features. Also, if you can, briefly access an iPhone just to update firmware. Otherwise, proceed with the app-based controls on Android. You now grant the app permissions, Bluetooth access, and possibly microphone, so it can send control commands to the AirPods. Once permissions are set, pick your AirPods Pro from the device list inside the app. Confirm the connection status shows active. Then toggle active noise cancellation on. You'll see immediate change in background noise. Adjust the ANC strength or transparency slider to taste. Lower transparency to block more ambient sound. If latency appears, switch profile modes or restart the app, and you finish by testing ANC across different environments: street, office, and home. Make sure the ear tips form a tight seal. A poor fit kills ANC effectiveness, so try different sizes. If active noise cancellation fails to engage, turn Bluetooth off and on, force close the app, then reconnect. If that doesn't work, reset AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, repair, and reopen the app. This resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.